Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best Faucet website. You can claim your cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this is the website. This website pay you this much Dogecoin instantly every 0 minutes and 50 times claim per day in Faucetpay. Okay, and go to your deposit, copy your Dogecoin wallet address, paste it in here, solve this letter captcha 869. Okay, 869. The next one is 51, and come down, solve this letter captcha too. After solving the captcha, just click get reward. You can instantly get your reward in Faucetpay. And go to your user dashboard, overview, and that's it. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Bye bye for now.